Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and this is a 18 by 24 inch by 2 inch gallery rep canvas that I did very early in my first year, and I love the turquoises and I like the black lacing, but I have some purplish mud that isn't thrilling me, and the drama is just missing in some places, so I'm going to sacrifice it as best I can, or not at all if I can, and we're going to smear some paint, hopefully without too many dog hairs or people hairs. I found one and I had to pull it out. So I'm going to use some I'm going to use some Anita's White Metallic as a base and put some more colors right into it. That I happen to like. That would be the electric blue first from Arteza, and the turquoise is a color shifting turquoise from Folk Art. That was a Venetian blue, and now I'm going to give myself some color shifting purple flash from Folk Art also. And I thought I was going to use some Amsterdam white with 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part Amsterdam. But I think instead I'm going to grab my round swipe card and use it. As best I can. This may work. I'm hopeful. Seriously hopeful. I'm going to take a little more black. Good color combination. Makes me want to tip what's left and see where it goes. Because I don't actually need a big puddle there. And I'll take what's on my card and put it anywhere that I might happen to need it. Grab a little more black to add to the drama. I want some gold, and I think I'm just going to use the gold where I want it. And I'm going to put some of my Hot Orchid from Color Art Prism Pour in there. And this time I want to use some of the white. So I'm going to take my trowel and I'm going to think about this. I'm going to put it all over the tip. I hope you can see this. And get down and get funky. I got some good cells. I'll take the residuals and let them go right over the edge so I can blend that part in, and that blended really well. So this leads me to believe I can get away with this, and I want to do more. I want some orange, and I did open my bottle of orange. I kind of wanted, that's what I want. I kind of want some of this color shifting red from Folk Art. Come on. I like what the white did a lot, and it's almost all gone. So I'm going to do it again. I think I'm definitely feeling some more electric blue in my near future. And the residuals on the trowel seem to cover the edge just perfectly. Just wondering if I can get away with what I've got in mind. Maybe a smaller swipe card would be perfect. And I'm going to try some of the black. Right after I pull that dog hair off. It's shedding season, if you hadn't figured that out yet. Can't believe how quickly I'm able to catch on to get the side covered. I want some more of that black right in here. I really want some blue. Who knows, I could wind up covering the whole thing. Can never tell with me. These are the same colors I just used. I'm going to grab a little more Amsterdam black. I saw that hair. Well, I can't tell you I wouldn't like to get that hair that I just saw traveling with my paint out, but otherwise I'm actually pretty happy. I want to take a little bit of Amsterdam white and put some black with it. Right over the edge to bring some lightness up to that point. I'm really looking for some turquoise that I haven't pulled out yet. And there it is. So I'm thinking the only thing that I really am bothered by now is this in here. And I liked how the white Anitas worked. And as much as I like some of that, I don't like it enough to keep it. And some dioxazine purple. I think all the colors are going to go in there. And maybe even some orange. But definitely I'm going to finish up with the hot orchid. And I'm using what I consider to be a copious amount of paint. Maybe I'll just do half of it. Whoa. Half of it in white and half of it in black, if I can. Just trying to cover. I'm going to go back and use as much black as I can. I have some in my dish. It's getting better and better, in my opinion anyway. Use some more black. See what happens with just the black and the gold. Let that get right down into position. There, I'm much happier with this than I was. I'm enjoying the smears. Thank you for Gail Burston for inspiring me. I think I'm getting very close to being done. I think a little more white Anitas and a whole bunch of blues. I keep moving those dog hairs off. I don't know where they come from. Thought I got them all off. Oh well, it's a very organic piece. What else do I want in there? Maybe some more turquoise. I think so. And I'm not sure I can finish this without allowing myself a little more hot orchid. Now, I wonder if I can grab one of my little tools that has a round or an oval end on it. Just dose it with the Amsterdam. I kind of want some black. Same thing. Pretty colors, liking these colors. I don't think I need to do anything else to this, to tell you the truth, other than maybe facilitate using up the colors that are on my little tool. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So that's a redo I can live with. If I have some Meeden black, do I? Somewhere? Yeah, well, maybe. I'm thinking right here. I'd like a black line. Whiten it out so it melds over the edge. So, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Success is mine! Woo! I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I'm going to tell you thank you for being here. I'm really happy that you're here to see this. If there's anything else that I might happen to want, like some more gold, I might do that. Because it's not bothering me. At all. Might take a straw. Try not to dip myself into the painting, which I did anyway. All right, we've got beautiful lacing, both black and white. I want you guys to know I do sell my artwork, and if you're looking to make a purchase and you want to make an inquiry, my email address is available to you underneath Show More, underneath the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video, and should you want to check that out, the first link you'll see is Le Gallerist, which has got beautiful dresses made in Montreal with my patterns on them, and they are gorgeous. They are pricey and they are worth investing in. Also, you will find on the Linktree Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes, and more. I'm going to zoom in so you can see some of this. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the YouTube artworks. Wow. Wow. That was stunning. Oh, I'm so glad I did this. That thing has been sitting around for 3 years at least. And now it's something worth having people see. This is still my favorite part right in here. So, please give me a thumbs up. When you share my videos, you help me out. When you watch them longer, it's the most important thing you can do. Your comments are very helpful both to my morale and to my placement on YouTube, I think. Thank you for the thumbs up again. My paint pouring recipes underneath show more, underneath the video, along with my cell activator recipes, both the Amsterdam Black and the Amsterdam White. They're slightly different. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. It's a Facebook group. It's on the link tree. You might want to check that out for tomorrow's video. My community board on my YouTube channel also has tomorrow's video often. If you have questions for me, please ask. The Amazon link on the link tree is a great place to find the OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatulas, and also all kinds of other cool stuff, including my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. Any shopping you guys do helps me out. I have pixels.com and Fine Art America. They are on the link tree. But you can also find all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts included. When you click any of the pictures of clothing below the video, that's spring clothing with my designs on top of them. And if you can't find what you're looking for, I can add it to either spring or to Fine Art America and pixels.com. Not so much yet with the Gallerist, but the clothing is worth looking at. Even if you don't do anything but look at it, check it out for me. Let me know what you think. I had somebody purchase some, and she was very impressed, and she has great taste. All right, I love you guys. Sorry about the camera. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Forgetting to tell you that I have 2,000 videos, and you can find them on playlists by going to All Playlists, Created Playlists, organized by topic and genre. So, I think whatever I've forgotten, you'll hear in another video. I'm not going to let that go off anymore. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Sorry my camera's drooping. Bye for now. Priscilla out.